Okay, today we have a Jett 200, and what we're going to do is we're going to disassemble this and make it ready for paint, and starting with the headset all the way down to the front end, then proceeding back to the rear end, taking off the floor panels, the leg shield, the glove box, and the tank, and removing the motor and the taillight assembly. So first we'll start with the headset. This is the headset, and basically it just takes 4 bolts in the front. This one doesn't have it on it, but it has 4 bolts in the front that hold on the assembly, which is the headlight assembly, which is this ring here. And the headlight basically sits in that ring. You take the 4 screws off and remove that, and then you have 2 screws underneath, one each side, and the headset comes off, or the headset top. And then what you have in here is you have a king bolt that closes and pinches the assembly there for the headset, and that's what we'll be taking off next. Okay, so first of all, we remove all of the electrical components. Basically, we take the backing of the headset off. We take the key switch out, and then we're accessing to where we could have an Allen bolt, or I'm sorry, an Allen socket to take that out. Okay, in order to remove this pinch bolt on this particular model, it is an 8mm Allen wrench, and you basically loosen this. Okay, and it releases. Okay, there's several things that are holding this headset on besides the headset clamp. There's cables that need to be either cut or removed, such as the front brake, the clutch cable. I'm sorry, the front brake clutch cable, and the throttle cable as well, and the gear cables. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove those cables, and then we'll get to the point where we can remove the headset. Okay, I've loosened everything off and removed the cables, and now we can remove the headset. Okay, basically that was the clamp there with a bolt. Removed all of the roller assemblies for the gears and the throttle. Removed the levers and the handle grips, and basically what's left now is just the cable ends, or I'm sorry, the cables and the electrical. As you can see, this is a pre-modification ring frame. So basically this was put on several of the models, basically to represent, it's a chrome ring right here, you can see it. I'm painting off, or I'm peeling off everything. It represented the first run models, and then after that they did some modifications, removing this ring and a few other things. So next what we'll be doing is we'll be removing the body panels, and basically there's a set of 3 bolts on this side and 3 bolts on the other side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts that need to be, or nuts that need to be removed to get off of, or make everything else come off: the fender, the horn casting, and the leg shield. So that's what we'll be doing next. Okay, we've removed the leg shield, and as you can see, we still have the cables to take off. Had to remove the brake armature from its post so we can get the leg shield off. So the next part of the project here would be to remove everything from the inside of the cavity here. The glove box, the gas tank, the fender, and obviously the motor. And then finally we'll be able to, or finally we'll do the front forks. Keep everything on so in case you have to roll it away, until we're ready for paint. And that's it for the video for today.